All right, so today we're gonna make something simple. A croissant egg. Croissant. One egg only, all right? So I'm gonna heat this up a little bit, put a little bit of oil on it, and we're gonna do bacon croissant with lettuce. There's a little tiny little saucepan. I will say they call it saucepan. And this is a Vivor one. So if you guys are interested, I'm gonna put my links below so you can help the channel grow. And there it is. Gonna go all over. We're gonna get rid of this one. I have a professional dog here. Come here, Crypto. These are my garbage disposal. He loves the shells. The shells are really good for dogs. It gives them vitamins and also minerals and things that they can't get anywhere else, and it helps their coat. All right, I like to do this. Put a little bit of pepper, a little bit of salt. So we don't want a runny yolk. Flip it if you can. And give it a couple seconds. That should do it. So turn it off. It could heat up with the, it could cook with the heat as it is. So we're gonna turn it up for 5 seconds, as high as you can. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and then just kill it. And that's it. The egg is done. It's like almost filleting a fish. That's good enough. That's good. Okay. So start mayonnaise. How are you guys doing your sandwiches? What am I missing? I know this is a simple breakfast. I like breakfast. You know, I put a lot of breakfast stuff in here. That's it, just to give it a good flavor. Now, we're gonna put a little bacon, dress it up. Another one. And then we just washed this one. So what I like to do is cut a little bit off the stem so it can be bendable. A little bit off, and wham. So a simple sandwich, la croissant. Let's try it. I'm gonna try a little bite, like the McDonald's CEO. It's very good. It's very good. I highly recommend it. I'm gonna eat this off camera, and so enjoy it. So if you guys are McDonald's, enjoy it. Stupid ass. So, took a bite out of everything.